The current app usually stops working because of server outages, broken bank connections, outdated app versions, or corrupted app data on your phone. By the end, you'll know exactly why Current is not working, and the exact steps to get it running again without guessing. Start with server status. If Current servers are down, the app can freeze, fail to load balances, or stop responding completely. This is not a phone issue. In this case, waiting is the only real fix because the app depends on server synced to function. Next, check your internet connection. A weak Wi-Fi signal or unstable mobile data can stop the app from loading account details. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restarting your connection, can immediately restore access. Now check your bank connection. Current relies on a secure connection to your bank to show transactions and balances. If that connection expires or breaks, parts of the app may stop working. Removing and reconnecting your bank account forces a fresh sync. Another issue is outdated app versions. If you're running an older version of Current, features may break or stop loading correctly. Updating the app ensures compatibility with the latest backend changes and fixes known bugs. Now look at app cache and stored data. Over time, cache data can become corrupted and cause loading loops, blank screens, or login issues. Clearing the cache or reinstalling the app resets everything and forces a clean version to load. Also check login and account status. If your session expires, your password changes, or your account gets flagged for security review, the app may block access until you log in again or verify your identity. Now consider device issues. Low storage, outdated operating systems, or restricted background data can prevent the app from running properly. Restarting your phone and freeing up storage can fix hidden performance problems. Here's the simple breakdown. Current not working usually comes down to server issues, internet problems, broken bank sync, outdated app versions, corrupted data, or account login restrictions. Do this next. First, check if Current is down. Then restart your internet connection. After that, update the app. Then reconnect your bank and clear cache or reinstall the app. Finally, restart your phone. If it still doesn't work, the issue is likely on Current side and will resolve once servers stabilize or your account sync resets. Most Current app issues are fixed once the connection and app data are refreshed properly.